Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this phone. First we need to open the control panel, and to open it simply swipe down from the top right corner of the phone. So you need to swipe down from here and this will open the control panel. On this panel swipe down right here to open the list of icons, and on this list you should see Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on enable. You will see this icon appear next to the battery. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also see it when you open the control panel, and the icon will change the color to the blue. Basically it's gonna get highlighted. Okay, and to disable the mode, simply open the control panel, the list of icons, and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again. The icon will disappear from here, and also it will change the color to gray like this. Okay, you can also press and hold on this icon to open the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and here we can enable or disable the mode by tapping on the switch. We can also make a schedule for it, so if you find the scheduled category, you can enable or disable the schedules for it. You can add a new schedule by tapping on add, and here you can create a schedule. For example, let's tap on repeat and select on which days the schedule will be active, and you can select the days by tapping on the boxes next to them like that. I'm gonna select Monday, Wednesday and Friday, then tap on OK. Next we have from, basically the start time, the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, so you can tap on it and set it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 like this, then tap on OK. Next we have the to, basically the time on which the mode should turn off, and you can tap on it and set it to something, for example 6:30, then tap on OK. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And here we have our schedule. Now the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 6:30 a.m. every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can enable or disable the schedule. You can also tap on it to edit it. You can edit the options, or you can remove it by tapping on delete rule and delete like this. Okay, below the scheduled we have the allow interruptions category, and here we have calls, messages and repeated calls. If you tap on calls, you will see the list of options, and here you can select the calls from who will be able to interrupt your Do Not Disturb mode, and basically you will get the sound notifications. And you have everyone. If you select this option, everyone who calls you won't have the notifications for that call will be pushed, so you will hear the sound from it. And next we have the contacts only, so only people from your contacts list will be able to ignore the Do Not Disturb mode, or will be able to pass through it rather. Next we have the favorites only, and then no one. Select the option you like. And next we have messages, and it's the same for the messages. You can select everyone, contacts only, favorites only, or no one. And then we have repeated calls. And what this option does is basically when you enable it and somebody calls you more than once within like 15 minutes period, the call won't be silenced basically. Okay, and that's about all. Now you can close the settings. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.